Apple fans, the future of tablets is almost here. The iPad Pro M5 is shaping up to be Apple's most powerful, most advanced, and most ambitious tablet ever created. From old displays to the M5 chip, a completely redesigned Apple Pencil 3, and more, this is not just a refresh, it's a revolution. In this in-depth video, we're breaking down everything from exclusive leaks and rumors to confirmed features, specs, price predictions, and the highly anticipated release date. Whether you're a creative pro, gamer, or everyday user, get ready. Because the iPad Pro M5 is about to blow your mind. Design and DSPLA Weissländer. More refined aluminum chassis bezels, thinner than ever to size options. 11.1 and 13 first iPad, with tandem OLED display, up to 1600 nits HDR brightness promotion with 120 Hz. Refresh rate always on display, support Apple Watch style widgets on lock screen. The move to OLED is a huge leap forward, delivering deeper blacks, richer colors, and improved energy efficiency. Apple may even add LTPO support, which means variable refresh rate for better battery life. M5 chip performance based on 3nm architecture, up to 8-core CPU and 10-core GPU machine learning boost. Next-gen Neural Engine 30, 40% faster than M4 chip. Ray tracing for console-level graphics ideal for Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro, and AI apps. If the M4 was fast, the M5 is a rocket ship. Apple's silicon just keeps pushing the boundary. The iPad Pro M5 might finally live up to its desktop-class promise. iPadOS 19 and AI feature Sci-powered features like smart summaries, image editing, and Genmoji's live multitasking via Stage. Manager 2.0 on device Siri with ChatGPT-like abilities, Universal Clipboard 2.0 Paste AI. Generated content across Apple devices, smart widget stacks with real-time AI. Apple is betting big on on-device AI. And with the iPad Pro M5's power, it's finally viable. This is productivity on steroids. Apple Pencil 3 haptic feedback for realistic drawing feel. Barrel roll gesture support, new squeeze action, triggers magnetic charging continues. Interchangeable pen tips, Pencil Pro model with old indicator for digital. Artists and note takers, the Apple Pencil 3 is a game changer. Think more control, better responsiveness, subtle tactile cues as you work. Battery and thermals, 10,000 mAh, battery more efficient, old panel extended use. M5 chip has smarter power distribution, advanced heat dissipation design, passive cooling. AI-assisted thermal throttling. This iPad might be thin, but it's cool, literally. Expect smoother gaming, editing, and multitasking without thermal slowdowns. Gaming and pro apps, full support for AAA titles. Assassin's Creed Mirage. Resident Evil 4 Remake controller haptics through iPadOS, Metal FX upscaling for smoother gameplay. Full versions of Final Cut Pro and Logic Pro external monitor support with Stage Manager. Apple's making the iPad. It's a real gaming and pro workhorse, finally letting it reach Mac-like capabilities in a portable form. Cameras and LiDAR dual camera system, 4.8 MP wide. 1.2 MP ultra-wide front-facing camera, move to landscape-enhanced center stage and face. ID LiDAR 2.04 precision AR scanning cinematic mode for video. Yes, people use iPads for photos and video. And for AR and pro apps, the new LiDAR sensor and camera array will elevate it to the next level. Accessories and Magic Keyboard function key row, finally at aluminum. Top case for MacBook-like feel, larger trackpad with haptic feedback smart connector, 2.04 faster data. This is the iPad that could finally replace your laptop, especially with the new Magic Keyboard and expanded accessories lineup, price and configurations. 11-inch starting at $99,913, inch starting at $1,299. Apple Pencil $3,129, Magic Keyboard $2,025, $349, up to 2 terabytes of storage base model, 256 gigabytes with 8 gigabytes RAM. Yes, it's pricey, but for creatives and pros, the power and flexibility might make it well worth it. Release date and final thoughts. Expected launch March-April 2025, revealed at spring. Apple event production already underway, old suppliers confirmed, competes with MacBook Air. Surface Pro, Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. The iPad Pro M5 could be Apple's most important iPad ever, bridging the gap between mobile freedom and pro-grade performance. So what do you think? Is the iPad Pro M5 going to be your next all-in-one device? Drop a comment below with your favorite rumored feature. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives on the latest Apple gear, leaks, and reviews.